What's up guys? I just want to make this quick video. I'm super busy working on bikes, tons of great content on the way, but I'm here right now to ask for your help. As you may know, I've entered the YZ300 in this year's Broke to Built contest. Only the top 15 advanced to the next round, and right now I am sitting in 15th. Votes are coming in like crazy. This contest is far from over, so I need as many votes as I can get. If you guys enjoyed seeing this bike come together and want to see it advance to the next round, I would really appreciate it if you could take a moment of your time to go vote for my YZ300. I'll have the link to go vote on screen and in the description. Once you go to that page, scroll down until you see the poll. You'll see Kincade Pavich's YZ300 as an option. Click vote. If it prompts you for a captcha or solving a math question, be sure to do that and submit it or your vote won't count. You can only vote once, but your one vote is greatly appreciated and will help me out a ton. So I just had to make this quick video. I've been meaning to do this for the last couple days, but I've just been swamped. But I checked the results again and went from 10th to 15th in like the last couple hours. So like I said, votes are rolling in like crazy. Every one of these top 32 bikes is incredible. So I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to go vote. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you guys soon with some more content.